Hello everyone, there will be a short demo video on the integration of Business Central and Magento through APPSeCONNECT. So for the demo, I'll start off with the customer synchronization process from Magento to Business Central. To add a new customer in Magento, we create a new account in Magento. Once all the mandatory details are filled, we create an account, and once the account is created, I go into the Manage Address tab and add in the contact details and the addresses of the customer. Here, all the address details and contact details are being filled, and now I save the address and thereby trigger the integration point customer add from the agent. Once the integration is complete, I search for the customer that I have created in Magento in Business Central, and here we can see that the customer is added successfully with all the address and contact details that has been added in Magento. Now once we are done with the customer synchronization process, I move into the next integration point, that is items. For item synchronization, I add new item in Business Central and sync the same to Magento. In Business Central, we can add items as in we go into the new item tab and we put in the important and the mandatory details for the item, such as description and the base unit of measurement. These are all mandatory details here. So we'll add in all the details. After I have added all the mandatory fields, including the categories and attributes, I click on OK to create the new item. Once the item is created, I move into the agent and trigger the integration point simple product add from, from the direction Business Central to Magento. So once the sync is complete, we can find that the item that we have created in Business Central has been successfully synced in Magento. We can see the ID and the description of the item once we expand the item, the SKU and the price with the descriptions that we have provided in Business Central. So now I'll move into the next integration point, that is inventory. For that, I'll move into Business Central and increase the inventory. To increase the inventory in Business Central, we move into item journal and change the entry type to positive adjustment and put in the item number. So I have put in the quantity as 2345, and once this is done, I'll post the same. Once the journal lines are posted, the inventory count will be increased. Now once this is done, I'll simply trigger the integration point inventory update from the agent. Once the inventory is updated, I'll move into Magento and reload the same page to get the inventory count increased. Now we can see the inventory count has been increased to 2345 as we have increased it in Business Central. Now moving on to the next integration point, that is the sales order add. For this, I'll put up order for the same product that I have created. Once the order is placed, we can trigger the integration point sales order add from the agent. Now the order is placed here in Magento successfully, and I'll just trigger the integration point sales order add from Magento to Business Central. So the sales order has been synced successfully. So I'll move into the sales tab under Business Central and move into sales order and just type in the name of the customer and search for the same. So once I get the same, I'll just view the sales order. I can see the details of the order that I have put in Magento. So once the sales order is successfully synced, I'll simply post the same and create the shipment and invoice together. Once both of them are created, I'll just trigger the integration points shipment add from Business Central to Magento. Once the shipment is added, I'll just move into the account of the customer and view the order, we can see that the order is in the processing state. So now I'll move into the agent again and just trigger the integration point invoice add to see the order status to be completed. Now I'll just reload the page in Magento to get the order status, and we can see here it is complete. So that is all for the demo video. Thank you.